Love egg rolls, but don't love pork? I got the lowdown from my dad on these chicken egg rolls.
We're only gonna cook this for about 2 minutes, maybe 3. Gotta squeeze out the vegetables. Actually, used to use a press in the old days, but probably squeezing them out by hand is the quickest way to get the initial water out. Turn this around, make it easier. So it's important here to get your setup correct, where you're going to put your egg rolls. The stack of egg roll skins here, it's easy just to put them right on top of each other. There's no need to be transferring where your skins are. So you're going to just wrap one at a time. And then your stack, the next one will be ready. Your eggs wash is on the side here, easy to reach. And then your filling's right here. And so here we go. What you could do is you're going to reach in and grab like a little handful and sort of squeeze it into a ball, into an oblong ball, and I'll show it to you. You put it right in the middle here, just like that. And then you hold the filling with one hand, and while you wrap the wrapper over the top, roll it towards the middle. It's gonna look like that, I'll show you. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pinch this one side down like this and fold it over and tuck it in so this is kind of tucked in and doesn't hang over the side. And other side the same thing. Tuck it in and flatten it a little bit, and then you can move it towards the center to make it easy to work with. Get your egg wash, and I'm just using my hand and pinky as a brush. Make sure you get plenty of egg wash so it doesn't wrap at the end, and make sure you get the end here. And then you're gonna, with both hands, roll forward firmly but gently, and you end up with your seam right at the bottom where the egg roll sits on. And then you move it off to the side here. And then now, since we had the egg roll skins stacked, you're ready to go with the next one, and you just repeat. Squeeze a good amount. Put it on here, fold it over, shake off any excess that you have on the finger, roll it towards the middle again, pinch one side, fold it over, pinch the other side, fold it over, and you can see that you want these to point inward. And again, I'm going to use my hand. This is the way all professionals do it in the restaurants, at least the ones I've seen. And roll it and fold it. And this is a rhythm when people get going. You can imagine that they're going about, no exaggeration, about like 5 times faster than I'm doing it right here. And that's how they do 25 to 30 pounds of egg roll skin per hour. And that's the way you measure it. How many egg roll skins can you do in an hour? 25 pounds. Well, okay, I do 30. And here we go. Just like that. But if I was doing this every day, or at least a couple of times a week, I bet you I could hit 25.
How fast can you do it? Try to do it as fast as you can.
All right, here we go. Ding, 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 ding.
That's pretty slow, Father. Faster!
I'm trying.
Oh, see,
I got the thing stuck.
The quality goes down when you go faster.
And some people just do one roll like this. I can't do it.
You kind of did it.
I kind of did it. Just one roll, and then they're reaching in for the next one already, and they're putting in, and of course they're not crossing my hands like me, because otherwise that would slow things down. But that's how they do it. I'm gonna check the temperature. It's a little bit. It should be 325, but it's a little bit higher. But it's okay. You don't want to get too much higher than this. But when I put in the egg rolls, the temperature is gonna go down keep them moving. This will take probably about 3 to 5 minutes. The real key is when you start, you wonder when is it done. When the egg roll skins fry through, the moisture will start coming through, and then they'll start to splatter a little bit. And that hasn't happened yet. But when that happens, that's when you know the egg roll skin is fried through, and the filling is probably heated through as well. We'll just keep going here. And you know, the rate of browning of your egg roll is also going to depend upon the type of egg roll skin you have, quite frankly. Different brands fry it differently. Some fry a little bit more crispy and bubbly, and other ones fry a little bit less bubbly. These are probably about a medium. Here they go. You can start hearing the splatter. You can hear they're starting to splatter now. And you've got the color. You're starting to get that color that you want, and they're splattering. I'm gonna take them out, and I have a spider here, and I have also a cast iron pan, which is my favorite place to put these to let them drain.
Why?
It's just.
Because it has a ledge, right? You rest them?
Well, it has a ledge when I rest them, but also if the excess oil goes on the pan, I don't really care because it seasons the pan. And those of you who might be wondering, hey, I'll only fry what you can eat, I fry them all. And then if I plan on freezing them, I fry them to this lighter color, and then you reheat them. Oops, very careful around oil. Make sure you got solid. And let these drip for a little while. See, it's starting to dry out already. Even this is kind of dark right now, but I'm going to transfer it here. And then what I do is I'll stand them up. Of course, over years I've got kitchen hands, so I'm just going to do this real quick. I like to drain them like that. And then we're going to start on our next batch.
Nailed it!
Pay me!